Are you a businessman who is struggling to retain your customer? Then this video is going to help you. In this video, I am going to share with you my super awesome 7 tips on how you can retain your customer. So stay tuned till end, and if you are not a subscriber till now, please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my valuable video. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the topic. So from my screen, you can see from my mind map, the very first point is customer service. So to retain your customer, this is the most important thing, because acquiring a customer is very, I will not say very easy, but retaining your customer is, I think, more difficult, because if you can retain your customer, then I think the business growth potential is even more than acquiring your customer, because you actually need to spend more to acquire a customer than retain your customer. So that's a different story altogether, that I will tell you in a other video, that what is like how to measure your customer acquisition cost and how to measure your customer retain cost. But in this video, let's do. So the first point is, as you can see, that customer service is the first and foremost important thing for your business. So you have to see based on your business, because every business are not same. You may be into a product business, you may be into a service business, you may be into some other kind of business. So based on your business and business model, you have to decide how can you serve your customer better. Whenever customer is giving any complaint, how you can give best service. So this can also be a differentiating factor from your competitor. So this is the first, the most important point. The second most important point is involve your customer in your growth. So you will ask, Sudeshna, how to do that? So let me explain further. So there are many companies you must have seen, especially the software companies, who actually involve the customer to like be a part of their growth, business growth. How, like, they initiate a lot of partner programs. Suppose they will give you some percentage, a huge percentage actually, because for software the marketing cost is the most most important aspect of their operating cost. So what they do almost, some of the software they share almost as good as like 50% of total value or the revenue they share with their partners. So they actually make their customer as their partner. So you have to think that how you can make your customer as your partner, so that you need not to tell everyone that purchase my product. Your customer will tell the other customer, who has not become your customer. Your customers will actually spread the news that this product or this service is good, and you can take that service. And so in that, then you can share little bit of your revenue from that product or services referred by that customer. You can share that some portion, like that percentage you need to decide based on your operation cost and other cost. You need to share some percentage of your revenue with your customer. So that's the partner program. This is very, very important. It's not like a very new concept, but most of the business person actually, they don't implement those learning into their business. So if you are a businessman or businesswoman who is watching this video, I'll just request you to implement this very big strategy into your business, and this can help you to retain your customer, to increase the customer base. That can be a very good option. So this also will be a reason to increase your new customer base also. So your customer will be engaged more. They will feel a part of the company if they can be a reason to increase of your company. Similar kind of program can be reward loyalty or referral. So you can give some referral code, so that by using that they can refer to their friends and family, and you can get new customer. So that's a very good strategy to this is actually a strategy to increase your customer base as well as retain your existing customer. So next, let's see what is the third point. Any guess? Let's see. So again, value your customer feedback. So suppose the first point I have already mentioned, though, that customer service should be your first priority. Then what is the difference between value your customer feedback? So suppose I'm giving an example. Suppose you have bought a product from Amazon, and that product is not good, and that supplier is not offering you return, so what will do, you will call the Amazon customer care. And many a times it happened that customer care, they told that okay, this is not a maybe our a returnable product, so okay, we will give you 100% cash back. So this is the kind of service Amazon is providing, and that is another reason they are growing so fast in country like India, where people actually like maybe 2 years 3 years back also, people were very afraid to buy online, like any product from e-commerce portal. So you can see that company like Amazon, company like Apple, those big brands, how they actually focus very much on customer service. So not only customer service but also customer feedback. So what if like a customer is giving you some feedback that this product is not good, so how you can take his feedback and improve your product or service. So that's also very important. So here also how you can get those customer feedback, that is also very important, because many a times customer will not call you, because sometimes if it is a very bad product, they want to return it, then maybe they will call your customer service, or maybe if you are like just started, you can directly they can directly call whatever contact number is mentioned. But what if they are not satisfied but they have not called you? So how you can get those customers feedback? So there are many options. Let me tell you a few options. First is email marketing. So in one of my video, I have detailed discuss in regarding email market, how you can start email marketing for your business. I will mention a link in the icon. That's very important actually, to know the email marketing in this era of digital marketing. Without email marketing, it's very difficult to grow your business. So that first one is email marketing. Second one is direct calling. So if you have just started your business and you don't have much customer base, and you can afford direct calling, or you can hire someone whom you can get give training that how to call, how to talk to customer, and let that person to call each and every customer to know their feedback. Most of the time they may be busy, they may cut your call also, but this is a try. You can this is a like this thing you can try. I mean, if they give you any input, that will be very valued input to like for having a growth in your company. Then third option is meet your customer. That's option is not very much available right now in this COVID era, but I think by next year this COVID situation will be improved. I mean, will improve a little bit. So you can have a customer meet day. Many big companies, they have a customer meet day, where they generally do a kind of festival or kind of program where they actually meet customer directly, and they actually share their plan with their customer. They actually engage their customer. So this thing actually now I think it's better, because if you have an email database of all your customers' email ID, you can even invite them to attend your virtual this type of customer meet also. So if someone really loves your product or service, they can join your this kind of program also. So this can be also a very good strategy. And last but not the least is survey. So survey is very important, but again, many people, they, though you will send the survey link, many people will not click the link. So it's very important how to design your survey. So if you don't know regarding survey, maybe if you want a video on that how to design your survey so that many people respond to it, and then again how to decode all those survey reply, that is also very important. So if you want a video on that, please mention a comment below, then I will record a video. I will give the tips how you can actually plan your survey. So this is also very important method to get customer feedback. Guys, I think this video is going to be a little long, so but this in this video you will get lot of value. So stay till the end, where I will mention all those 7 tips, and by implementing those 7 tips, you can retain your customer, and there also you are getting some tips to grow your customer base also. So as I have mentioned, that newsletter you can use in 2 ways. One is educate your customer about your product or services, like how you can use sometimes it happens like for some product, or maybe especially some software also, people they generally they buy, but they don't know how to use those products. So it's very important to educate your customer how to use that. So if you are selling some kind of product or service which you feel that customer may not know everything about the product or services, you should educate your customer then that's a very good strategy. Sending a newsletter, monthly newsletter, or maybe whatever frequency you feel okay, you can send automate email marketing system, and then educate your customer. And also it can also create a brand recall. Suppose your customer is getting a newsletter maybe every 4 months, every 3 months, 6 months, whatever is the frequency, they will again remember your brand. So it may help sometimes. I'm not telling that every time customer will see your mail they will be very happy, but again it depends on your relationship with your customer and your brand. The fifth option is build trust with your customer. Again you will say, Sudeshna, this is very easy to give a tips like this, but how to build a trust? So again I am giving you little bit tips on that. So generally when we say that customer will trust you, when customer will feel that they are getting more value than what they are paying, so that is the price. So if you can give more, you can afford to give more value than the price set you have set, I think customer trust you can build. So that's very important point. Two more points are left, so I hope you will not cross the video, I mean of the video and go away. So if till now you are watching, that means you know that you are getting value, so stay tuned till end. The next important point is involve customer beyond your product or service you are offering. So if your customer is part of your mission and he or she also feel the same way how you feel. Suppose I'm giving giving an example. So let me give an example of mine. Like I want to actually I have already started a YouTube channel for the Bengali moms, where I want to teach all the Bengali moms how to start YouTube channel, how they can create a YouTube career. Because generally we all know that for moms it's very difficult to continue their career, and I think 73% of moms actually have to leave their jobs, leave their career to raise kids. But I know that being a YouTuber, it's very I mean you can continue both the thing. So I want to help all those moms to start their YouTube career and then get multiple source of income, which I am going to teach them. So if some of the moms they can connect with my mission, that they actually resonate with my mission, then I think that is how I can connect my customer beyond my product, which is the training. And last but not the point is differentiate your product or services from your competitors product. So sometimes if your product you feel that it's almost same, then what service you can give. So you have to differentiate in your service. Suppose the delivery hour, like late night delivery you can offer. You can offer free delivery, you can offer collect the cash and while receiving. So these kind of services you can offer. Sometimes you feel that you can create a product which is very different from your customers competitors product. So in that way, suppose I'm just giving an example that Starbucks when they started, they actually offered a service where people actually can order while coming to Starbucks. So they have given that order, that order now, pay later. So that actually saves a lot of time of the customer. Also they actually created a space where people actually see how this coffee is brewing and this aroma is coming. So that in that way they actually created an experience which was different from the competitor's product. So this is very important. You have to decide what kind of differentiating factor you can create in and around your product or services you are offering. So I hope this video is useful for you. Comment below which point you actually resonate most and which point you will implement from maybe tomorrow. So stay tuned, stay healthy, bye bye. In this video I will tell you super awesome 7 tips. In this video, I am going to share with you super awesome my 7 tips